What's up everyone, Tech Mindset here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the quick settings and the notification center in Windows 11. So what I want to do is come over here to where I see the internet icon and the volume icon and click it, and that brings up the quick settings. From here I can enable and disable Wi-Fi, enable and disable Bluetooth, turn on airplane mode, turn on night mode. I don't know if you can see this, but I have it set to make my screen a little less harsh at night on my eyes. You can change focus assist for notifications and accessibility settings. You can also change your volume here. If you want, you can click on the pencil to add and remove, clicking on the add button here, to add and remove different quick settings that you want to have. And then if you click on the gear icon, it actually brings up your settings. Also, if you remember my video on Windows Update, I actually have an update right now. If I click on that, I can click download and install to install the latest Windows Update. Side note, there's also a microphone icon here that if you click on it, you'll be able to turn off and on the microphone. It's on right now because I'm using this microphone to record this video. Next, let's look at the notification center. So over here on the right, you have your calendar and the time. If you click on that, you now get your calendar here, and you can scroll through the dates. And then you get notifications up here. So in which case, this monitor was turned on and off, and NVIDIA detected that a G-Sync display was connected. If you're doing something like watching a YouTube video, listening to music, or anything like that, if you click on the notification center, you might even see control options up here, so you can pause, go to the next song, go to the next video. So just some quick ways to see notifications at a glance, as well as some quick button toggles for certain settings. That's all, and I'll catch you in the next one.